Camp stoves are one of those kinds of gear where most options are imported, and for the most popular brands in the industry, that's exactly what you'll find. But there are still some really solid American-made options that are making camp stoves right here in the USA, everything from your really lightweight wood-burning varieties to your heavy-duty steel stoves that you might see in a hot tent. So today I'm covering camp stoves made in the USA. I'm going to cover several brands that are still manufactured domestically and also give you some tips on things like raw material sourcing and what to look out for, and then also cover some popular brands of camp stoves that are no longer made here. As always, all of our written research is over on allamerican.org, so I'll link that in the description below for y'all to check out. Per usual, this video is really just the highlights. We don't have time to cover every single brand that's made in the USA, so definitely check out our written research for all of that. Now, you're going to come across some really varying language when you are searching for camp stoves that are made in the US. Everything from 100% made in the USA language to assembled or handcrafted in the USA, and that language definitely makes a difference. It's all self-reported by the company. There's no official certification for using Made in the USA in your marketing, unfortunately. We try and do a lot of that certification as much as we can, obviously, through our research, but we can't prevent a brand from saying they're made in the USA when there might be a little bit of nuance in their manufacturing. So it's always worth doing your own research and making sure that you contact the brand or look for as much detailed information on their website or their products as possible to find out about where they're sourcing a lot of their stuff and where they're doing all of their final assembly. And in terms of raw materials for camp stoves, obviously steel is really commonly available from a lot of different US suppliers. So if you're looking at that type of camp stove, you should find some stuff that has domestically sourced components. But for more lightweight things, like let's say a titanium-based stove, there's really a lot fewer options in terms of American sourcing for titanium. So just know that going into your research process that you may find some stuff that uses some of those more lightweight materials that is only assembled in the USA using globally sourced components. All right, with those research notes out of the way, let's get into these great American-made brands, starting off with Bush Buddy stoves. Bush Buddy's based out of the state of Alaska, and they've been making camp stoves since the late 1990s. Everything's handcrafted in the US with a really strong focus on quality, so if you're looking for a natural wood-burning stove to take on your next camping trip and don't like the stuff like a jet boil or something like that that runs on propane to cook your next camping meal, Bush Buddy stoves is definitely worth a look. Next up is Four Dog Stove. Four Dog Stove is based out of St. Francis, Minnesota, and they've been making really heavy-duty wood-burning stoves for several decades. Everything's handmade in the US, and they have a really big following with hunters and folks that are doing a lot of hot tent camping in particular. These stoves are built to be dependable, repairable, and really passed down through generations, which is a really refreshing perspective versus some of the cheaper stuff that you might find on Amazon. Next up is Kni-Co manufacturing. Kni-Co is based in Oregon, and they've been making really great stoves since the 1980s. These guys build wood-burning tent stoves, all made from cold-rolled steel, and everything is hand-built in their Oregon facility. These are really functional, no-frills stoves that are built for hot tent camping, which is pretty much exactly what you would expect from a company that's been at this for almost 40 years. Next up is Minuteman Provision Company. These folks are based in Reidsville, North Carolina, and make rocket stoves and outdoor cooking gear. Everything's handmade in the US, and they really focus on durability and emergency preparedness instead of a lot of mass market production. They're really a small batch operation, which in this category is a really good sign. Next up is Partner Steel. Partner Steel is based in Idaho, and their roots go back all the way to the 1940s when they were a custom metal fabrication shop. They make aluminum camp stoves that are really targeted towards river guides and outfitters, but they can be pretty much used by anybody. Their designs have been shaped by decades of actual field use. So if you are looking for a really solid stove setup for a base camp or some river camping, Partner Steel is definitely worth a look. Next up is Siege Stoves. Siege Stoves is based in Walnut Creek, California, and they make collapsible pack-flat camp stoves that are all made from titanium and stainless steel that's sourced from US suppliers. And as I mentioned earlier when I was talking about sourcing notes, it's really refreshing to see that this company is sourcing their titanium from US suppliers where there's typically a little bit more of a shortage of options compared to what is available from overseas manufacturers. So Siege, in my opinion, is a really great option if you want something ultra light that is also sourced here. Next up is Riley Stove Company. Riley Stove Company is based in Townsend, Montana, and much like Kni-Co, they've been at this since the 1980s. They build wood-burning camp and wall tent stoves that are really designed for extended cold weather camping and hot tents. I think what really sets these guys apart is their design details and accessories. They have stuff like a water heater attachment to the camp stove, some warming plates, and other little small details and accessories that really make these comfortable to use. So if you're doing a serious cold weather camp setup, definitely check out Riley. All right, and then just to wrap up, wanted to cover a few popular brands in the camp stove industry and where they're actually made. Two of the more popular ones, Jetboil and Camp Chef, both of those are primarily made in China, unfortunately. And then for a brand like GSI Outdoors and their Selkirk stoves specifically, those are also made in China. And then you'll probably also come across brands like Soto, Snow Peak, and Primus. Those are all foreign-owned brands that do all of their manufacturing overseas. And then MSR is one brand that requires a bit of nuance. I have a full written write-up on this brand, which I'll link in the description below on allamerican.org. They make some stuff, or assemble some stuff rather, in the US, but again, it's really going to depend on product by product as to what is actually assembled here. All right, y'all, if you have any questions about camp stoves, make sure to leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe as well. That really helps me out and really appreciate y'all's support of American manufacturing. See you in the next one.